this is the least acceptable temperature for a USB hub. Just 145 degrees Fahrenheit for a USB hub, which claims to have a maximum of 122 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's only moving 14 watts through it. Mind you, this is just sitting here. It's not actually, like, I can just take that off. It's not actually clipped down, which is even worse. Also, this shield, I highly doubt, is being used as a heatsink for everything in here. Holy shit, fucking hell, that hurt. Just... honestly, that's unacceptable for a USB hub. That could be, like, dangerous. Another issue that I believe is caused by the heat is the HDMI port will randomly disconnect and reconnect. I've noticed this especially while at school, where I plug my iPad into a monitor. Again, this also states that it is 100 watt maximum with all ports filled. And I have not filled the Ethernet port. And what is it like this is like pulling, what, like 2 watts? It's literally only being used to access photos right now. But what the hell? Oh, also, I'm not using the SD card slots. No, that's just not. It's just not acceptable. The one with dual HDMI, which I also have, does not have this issue. And they're like near identical externally, other than maybe the circuit board around this area, but they both do 100 watts throughput. They both have SD cards, both have USB 3.1, 20 gigabit ports. No, it's like 10 gigabit? Yeah, 10 gigabit. Both have Ethernet, and both are fully loaded. And the other one is pushing through 65 watts to a laptop. This one's only doing 15 to an iPad. How is it getting this hot? I know that the fact that it's on a bed is not really helping. Yeah, it went down like a couple degrees when I lifted it up. But even then, when it's sitting on the desk at school, I do not want to touch it. It's rising again, and it's like this. I'm using my fingernails to hold it up. And like, again, the thermocouple's I just like threw it in there. But I didn't like tape it down. I'm not holding it down. I don't even actually know what the temperature would be if I would hold it down, and I don't want to. That's just too hot. 149 degrees. It's still climbing. let's just say... this is no means scientific, but still... I don't know, let's just... yeah, let's... hold it. Holding it here, or holding it here. Here. Move it like over here. I'll move it here. Yeah, that's not cool. That's like not cool. This thing like needs a fan. I mean, I could like put it over the USB port. I could touch it to the USB port. Yeah, there. It's touching USB port. Just leave it like that. That's the USB port. That's the underside, which is cooler. Yeah, I can just put that there, just like set that underneath. Yeah, on the other side it is 140. It is just so cheap, so it may not be accurate, but I don't know. I don't know. That just doesn't seem right. Like this doesn't really like pull that much. Like, it shouldn't be. Okay, it pulled 16 watts. Like, what's the temperature now? Like, just go like that. Just like there. Not popping it down either. But that's too hot. And I think, yeah, I'm still on like accountsgoogle.com. But you know, I've recommended this hub because I thought it was actually good, and then it starts, well, it didn't start, it's always been like this. It's just, I never measured it. Huh. Yeah. No thank you. No thank you, Anker. Like, what is it? This shitty little Elago hub. That was cool. Like, cheap little 15 thing. And this also, this does like 60 watts through. But it's aluminum. And it runs cooler. And it's cheaper. That's unbelievable. I don't know. I mean, I don't think I'm faking it. Like, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'm done. Now I have to put all this away. Fine.